welcome back to my channel. So this is the Kia Seltos, and this I have bought yesterday night, and there are few accessories which we have installed in this car, and this car is super stunning. This is the HTE variant, which is the base end variant of the car. So let's get started. Hope you will enjoy the video. Okay, so let's see the lights first. This is the projector headlamp over here. This is the projector one. This is the halogen one. And over here there is a halogen indicator. And this knoll finish on this silver color looks make this car a bit too busy and stunning too. This is matte black on the grille, which is a bit different than the top spec variant. This is the Kia's signature tiger nose grille. In the base variant HTE, there is no fog lamp. In the HTK, HTK Plus, HTX, HTX Plus and the GTX Plus, there will be fog lamps. The HTE variant have 16 inches steel wheels, which I will share the picture over here. You can see we have installed the diamond cut alloy wheels of the GTX Plus of the Kia Sonet. HTE variant gets a fender indicator. There is no indicator on this ORVM. Body color door handles even in the base variant, which is nice. Full black colored body cladding. Let's see the rear design. And this is the rear design of the car with a massive new Kia logo, because this is the facelifted variant, so it will get a new Kia logo. This variant is having halogen tail lamps with halogen indicator and reverse lights. Seltos written right there in a very stylish way, and the car looks very muscular and bold from the back. Reflector over here, and there's a shark fin antenna. This variant does not get a camera, but we have installed it right here. Let's open the boot. Very heavy. Okay, so this car is having a 433-liter boot space. Just ignore all these things. There's a hook over here. There's no boot lamp, which is surprising. Let's see the spare tire. This is the 16 inches steel wheel as a spare tire. After folding the rear seats, the boot is really massive. You can see you can even sleep on that. It is that big. Let's close it. Oh my god, very heavy to close. Okay, so it's closed now. Let's see the key first. This is the flip key of the Kia Seltos HTE variant with lock unlock boot opener, and this is the Kia logo over here, some chrome work. Even in the base variant, the key is very stylish. So let's see the interior. And this is the door. The speakers are actually stylish in the shape, nice. There is some storage space. All 4 power windows and silver handles. In the Creta there are black handles, which is a negative point, and the space is, I guess, very big. Okay, so with a 433-liter boot, the legroom is fine, not fine actually, but nice. Rear AC vents. There's a place to keep your phone and a USB charger. I have charged my phone with this, and it is very fast and working too. These are the handles, the halogen lamp. There's no center headrest or any armrest. The rear seat is plain, and this is fabric. The seats are fabric. Okay, so this is the front door. You can see this is the manual ORVM. That's why there's a stick. No powered controls for this. These are the controls to lock and unlock the car. These are the controls for the power windows, and this button is for the child lock. There's some space over here and armrest. Even in the base variant, there are height adjustable seats. Okay, so this is the height adjustable seat. It's fabric, I don't know why, but yeah, it is expected at this price point as it is a base variant. And this is the whole dashboard. Let me go back again and show you the dashboard from the rear. And this is the front view from the back seat of the Kia Seltos. It's the E variant. This touchscreen is the 10-inch, but it is the aftermarket one. This is how it looks from the back. Grey colored dashboard over here. Let me show you it from the front. This is the aftermarket touchscreen. No leather wrap steering wheel, same as Creta. The touchscreen controls over here. These were already in the car with the music system. And these are the controls for the speedometer. This is the diesel manual transmission car. There is a manual AC over here. Two AC vents are placed right below the touchscreen. And these are our hard plastics, but the quality level of the plastics are really good. Manual dimming IRVM. Sunglass holder over here, which is with some soft touch material over here. Projector lamps. There's some storage space with a 12-watt power outlet, a USB port, and a USB port for charging. This is the glove box, which is decent in terms of size. There are two airbags in the car, one over here and one is for the passenger. Only this much for today. If you like the video, please like, subscribe the channel and share the video with your friends. Thanks for watching.